Fertilizing your rice crop for higher profit has just become easier. Introducing Nutrient Manager for Rice, or NM Rice, a computer and mobile phone-based service from the Department of Agriculture. Would you like to know the right type and the right amount of fertilizer to apply to your rice field, or the right time to apply these fertilizers? If your answer is yes to these questions, then NM Rice is for you. You can access NM Rice through a computer connected to the internet or through your mobile phone. You can access NM Rice Web at the following website: www.erie.org/nmrice. Answer all the questions and you will receive a one-page fertilizer recommendation for your rice field. Consult with your municipal agriculture officer, agricultural technicians, and DA staff for more information on how to use NM Rice Web. You can also use the NM Rice Mobile, a toll-free text messaging service accessible through your mobile phone. NM Rice Mobile is suitable for most but not all rice fields. You can use NM Rice Mobile if you grow 2 rice crops in a year and you apply less than 10 bags of organic fertilizer per hectare. Otherwise, NM Rice Web is best for you. NM Rice Mobile is so easy to use. If you are a Smart subscriber, call *2378. If you are a Globe subscriber, call 2378. Select your preferred language: Tagalog, Cebuano, Iloco, or English. Then answer all the questions and you will receive a text message providing you with the fertilizer recommendation for your rice field. And this is all for free. NM Rice Mobile is very easy to use because all the questions are in multiple choice format. You just select the answer by pressing the number of your choice. Questions can also be repeated if needed. Just press the asterisk key on the bottom left-hand side of the keypad. More information on NM Rice Mobile can be obtained from an instruction card and brochure available through the DA. So what are you waiting for? Call *2378 for Smart or 2378 for Globe for your free fertilizer recommendation from NM Rice Mobile.